All right, Mr. Willis here again. Now I'm going to show you the 3D printers and kind of what some of the options are. We have three of them. They don't go nearly as fast as the laser engraver. And so on these, this guy right here was an enrichment project. So someone had finished all their other projects for our class and created a phone stand. And that thing probably took about 6 hours. Back here we have a heart tray that holds rings, and someone was making that for their mom. That thing probably took 2 hours. And then this one probably only took about 30 minutes. It's an earbud holder so they can wrap their earbuds around it and put it in their pocket. And again, they designed it on the computer on Tinkercad, which is a free software that you can go on and design 3D print items. When we hit print, it takes it to the 3D printer, it pulls the spool of plastic filament down, runs it through there, and it lays it out and creates it on the 3D printer tray. Pretty cool process. I've created quite a few things on here, so if I go back to my main screen, I can show you some of the projects I've done. I like to use this for a lot of practical items or useful things. So one thing I made was I have an Apple Watch, and so I have a charger that's a round charger, and so I created some round inserts that I could stick that charger into, and that allows me to build my own charging stand for my Apple Watch. One of the projects we had the students make is a chip clip, and you slide this over the chip bag, and it seals it and holds it. We have them make keychains. It's kind of tough to see from that angle. But one of the other things that I make quite often is for the guitar class here at school. A lot of those caps that you have on the guitar to tighten the strings, the little knobs break, and so I've created a knob that I can 3D print, and it looks like this. And so it just slides on to the end of the guitar, and that way they can tighten the strings down on the handle of the guitar. So again, trying to make something practical is always what I'm trying to encourage students to do. Again, we'll have instructions for this on Google Classroom, and that will allow you to create something, and we can 3D print it and have it either shipped to you, mailed to you, or have it available for you to pick up.